The $97 marketing automation system that replaces most of your tools. If your marketing feels stitched together, you're not alone. Leads come in. Someone forgets to follow up. A prospect ghosts you. Sales tells marketing that the leads aren't qualified. Marketing tells sales that they didn't follow up. And somewhere in the middle, revenue leaks. Most teams try to fix this by adding more tools. I actually did the opposite. I consolidated into one marketing automation system. The platform I use is called GoHighLevel. Most people call it HighLevel. Let's talk real quick about AI and infrastructure. AI is useful. If you follow me, you'll know that I use it daily. But AI layered on top of disconnected systems just makes the mess move faster. If your CRM doesn't talk to your forms, if your email platform doesn't sync with sales, if your booking tool sits outside of your pipeline, automation doesn't fix that. What actually moves the needle in B2B is simple. Leads captured correctly, follow-up happening automatically, sales and marketing looking at the same pipeline, reporting tied to revenue. That requires real infrastructure. What you actually get for $97 a month. This isn't just a CRM. It's a consolidated sales and marketing operating system. Here's what's inside. First, CRM and pipeline management. You can track deals visually, see every touch point, email opens, SMS replies, call logs, notes. Sales stops working from memory. Marketing stops guessing what happened. Everyone sees the same pipeline. Second, marketing automation. There's a visual workflow builder. You can automate lead routing, multi-step email nurture, SMS follow-up, internal notifications, re-engagement campaigns. Follow-up stops depending on someone to remember to send an email. It runs automatically. Third, funnels, forms, and landing pages. You can build landing pages, lead capture forms, embedded forms, surveys, and they connect directly to your CRM and automation workflows. No more form fills that go nowhere. No more disconnected landing pages. Capture, nurture, pipeline, all inside one system. Built-in AI tools. This is where it gets interesting. The platform includes built-in tools to help with email drafting, funnel copy, campaign ideas, workflow suggestions, conversational responses, chatbots, and website chat. You can deploy live chat, automated chat flows, lead qualification bots, appointment booking directly inside chat. Visitors don't just browse, they engage. And yes, it runs around the clock. For service businesses or B2B companies, that turns website traffic into pipeline. Email, SMS, and unified communications. You also get broadcast email campaigns, and you don't get charged for contacts like you do on HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, or most CRMs. Unlimited contacts. You get drip sequences, text follow-ups. Everything is tracked inside the same contact record that your sales team looks at. There's also a unified inbox, email, SMS, social messages, centralized. No more switching between 5 tabs to try to understand one deal. Alignment stops being theoretical. Templates and snapshots. This is underrated. You don't start with 0 with HighLevel. There are built-in templates for campaigns, funnels, workflows, automations. My link below gives you access to all of these. And once configured properly, those templates become repeatable assets. If you're an agency, there's even SaaS mode and white label capability. But even if you're not, the ability to clone systems instead of recreating them saves time. Social media scheduling. For lean teams, this is important. You can schedule posts inside the same dashboard. It's simple, centralized, and another subscription removed. Reporting that ties to revenue. This is where most teams break. In HighLevel, you get dashboards showing lead sources, pipeline value, conversion rates, campaign performance, not stitched together at the end of the month. You see what's generating revenue, not just clicks. What this system replaces. Most small to mid-sized businesses are paying separately for a CRM, an email platform, an SMS tool, a landing page builder, a calendar tool, Zapier, sometimes a chatbot tool, sometimes a social media scheduler, maybe even a course builder or a site membership tool. That can easily hit $300 to $1,000 or more per month. HighLevel at $97 per month replaces most of that. Not every enterprise edge case, but for operators who want control without chaos, it covers the core engine. Here you can see the complete list of features. If you want to check out HighLevel for yourself, use the link below to start your free trial.